At Cirteq we make roughly 3,800 variants of products, and that uses over 4,000 tonnes of steel annually to supply to over 500 customers. Our core activities are supplying spring rings to the automotive industry. Spring rings are used as a retaining ring to either stop something coming out of a bore or to keep something on a shaft, and basically we do that by stamping and heat treating spring steel. We're proud to say that we work directly with our OEMs, that's the original equipment manufacturers, and we support people like Volvo and Mitsubishi and Scania trucks, and we work directly with them to ensure that our products meets their exact demands for assembly. We originally approached SYS Systems for a solution to the many parts that we have working that needed connecting together. We needed a bespoke solution where we could print ancillary equipment. We asked them whether this machine would do all this, and they came back to us with an answer that yes, it could if you could print in a variety of plastics, and that's what attracted us towards using this system, the fact that we can print in plastics that are both soft and hard, and we can print in plastics that can be washed away to give you the intricacies that we need for our bespoke ancillary equipment. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to link processes and equipment in a production cell via ancillary equipment that really moves it from A to B, and it needs to get it there in a minimal time and also add some value to it. So what we've actually printed is parts that not only deliver the part to the next process, but in some stages can actually oil the part as it's moving from A to B. We've taken away a stage that required a lot of manual labour to spray the parts, and as we're moving parts from A to B, we're incorporating that oiling stage into the process through printing in soft, washable plastics. So this ancillary equipment is a transfer system for transferring snap rings, say from a sorting bowl to an oiling station, or from an oiling station to a packing station. We opted for the Connex 350 for the size of its print bed. What it allows us to do is print larger pieces of ancillary equipment and cope with more bespoke solutions for our customers. Being able to print to an exact design means that when that plastic print is finished, it fits into the exact space it was designed for. With a plastic printer, you can basically press the start button after you've sent it the design and then just walk away. And when you come back, that finished component is being built in a fraction of the time it took to build without any direct labour. The machine just gets on with its business and prints now, leaving the person that programmed it free to work on other development projects. After 2 years, we're seeing no significant wear on these collection rails, and think about it, we've passed millions, literally millions of spring steel rings over that plastic in that time, and that's come through specialist knowledge by SYS Systems to advise us correctly on the correct plastic for the application that we required. The labour that we've saved from doing this inline process means that one person can now do the job that traditionally took 4 people to do, and we've reduced the footfall from walking across the factory to getting the finished component from that wire in a fraction of the time and a fraction of the cost. I can see this print system could be applied to a wide range of industries and has 2 immediate benefits. 1, it will save you time in getting your parts from A to B, and 2, it'll offer you greater accuracy. If you can take a CAD model of something and print that exact CAD model, then you've got an accurate solution.